Another feature of Poly Speaks4 are the apps. For example, there is an app called Oracle Reader, which essentially takes an image where there is text in the image and translates this into text that can be edited and read aloud. This is a revolutionary thing that I know that many people have been working on for many years. But as a South African development, it is more homegrown and more adaptive to our specific needs from grade R to all the levels of education, including university education and in the workplace. What Poly does in this regard is takes the text from the image, translates it into editable text that the user can then use to change and restyle their document. This is just one of the features of Poly Speaks4. The other feature is the cognitive word list suggestion. You know, when you're using a cell phone, you get these suggestive words. Well, this particular version has approximately 40,000 uniquely South African words that are suggested. Mind you, it's still using the Microsoft Word spelling and grammar checker, but it is now using the local variations of words that are ours. I should say as South Africans. You know, so often people look at these wonderful pieces of software from overseas and they spend a fortune buying it and testing it, and it never quite fits correctly because it's not made for our audiences. This is where Poly differs, because Poly is specifically made for South Africans and for our 11 language groups. Poly is a marvelous tool. I know I developed Poly, and I can tell you for the last 5 years, I've exclusively used Poly over any other word editor, including Microsoft Word, because it is more suitable to a dyslexic person's needs, and therefore creates a more proficient and effective and professional working space for people with disabilities.